Hello everyone, it's Chelsea and welcome to my kitchen. We had a few technical difficulties and so I am going to just voice over. So sorry about that. But recently we went to New Orleans and one of our favorite places to go is Trader Joe's. We don't have a Trader Joe's here. And I saw this banana bread mix and I thought, hey, I want to try it. It was on an end cap and it just kind of jumped into my cart. And so I brought it home and I'm going to mix it up according to the directions. However, I'm making the muffin version. So for the muffin version, you use butter. And I've creamed 1/3 cup of butter. And I've got my muffin pan lined and ready to go. And so we're going to mix this up. And I'll give you my honest opinion at the end of the video. So the first thing, you want to make sure that your butter is creamed, and then we'll add in our wet ingredients. If you're making the bread loaf, you'll use 1/3 cup of oil instead of butter. Now, added 2 eggs. I'm going to mix that up. And then we'll add 3/4 cup of water. So you just want to mix this up pretty good. And then we'll add in the banana bread mix. On the instructions, it says do not overmix. So, you just want to not overdo it. I think it'll get a little bit tough if you do. In fact, you could actually just whisk this by hand if you wanted to. But hey, I had my electric mixer out, so I just really ran it on one of the low speeds. I think it's on the lowest speed possible. So I'll just mix that around, and then I'm going to take my spatula and just fold it. And the cool thing about these, and I did do this, you can add in some things. Chopped walnuts on top. You could put blueberries, chocolate chips. So I did a couple of variations and then cooked half of them just plain because I wanted to see if they were good standalone. So you'll have to watch till the end of the video to see what I think. So it's a very, very thick dough. And you're just going to fill up your muffin pan. So here are our muffins. I'm going to put them in the oven, 325 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll do the toothpick check, and when it comes out clear, I'll know they're done. You don't want to overbake or over mix. One thing that you can do is add some things. So in a couple of these, I'm going to put some chopped walnuts on top, and just to add a little bit of flavor to a couple of them, just to try it. So I will let you know these will bake, and I'll join you shortly and give you my truthful feedback. See you then. All right, 25 minutes later, the muffins are out of the oven. As you can see, I did a few with walnuts, some with chocolate chips, and then just plain. They baked very well. I'm going to show you the inside. They smell delicious, and I'm getting ready to do a taste test. But before I do that, please thumbs up for the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I'll be cooking more recipes and trying more things out like this that just jump out at me. So here we go. Let's see how good these are. Very good. Like it. Definitely will buy it again. It is very moist. Very tasty. I really do like it. So yeah, do I recommend it? Sure. If you're in Trader Joe's, pick one up. See you later.